Hello, this is Cassie, and today we are going to tell you how to download the APK, the app, into our Android screen. Here, first you need a USB disk and one computer, and then when you get our APK, and you need to download it to your computer first. Okay, after download it, you need to here revise the name, delete the .1.1 and leave it as .apk here. And then use this. And then the next step is to copy it into the disk. Here you need to put the disk to the computer. And then copy the file here into the disk. And after copied, you will find if you have other files in the disk, you need to delete it. And just leave one APK here in the U disk. And then this is done, and you need to take the USB disk to the Android screen. So let's go. Okay, so here's the U disk with the APK here, and let's do it on our Android screen. So here's the USB disk with the APK, and here's the Android screen of VOYEEGO, and there is 2 USB slots for each Android screen, so you just need to put the USB disk to the slot. And then here find the apps. No matter what screen you have for the BMW or Mercedes or Audi or Lexus, you just need to do the same way. Here's the apps, and then find the file manager. And then here's the USB extra disk here, USB 2. And then here, this one, name with the full name Z-Link6, and this, and .apk. And this one is the correct one, and then you click it to install. Double click, and it will be installed automatically. And just wait for it to not interrupt the operation of download. And here, the application is finished. Download is finished here. You can see the app. It will be shown here automatically if you are having the BMW this version of interface, or you can check in the apps here. Here, this is the one. So that's all for today. And if you have any questions on VOYEEGO CarPlay touch screen, you can comment below, and we will choose top 3 questions to answer. Thank you.